Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube password. So if you want to change your YouTube password, all you have to do is go to YouTube, and on the right hand side you can see your account. Click there, and after that click on manage your Google account. And now over here on the left hand side you can see the security option, so click on security. So over here scroll down until you see password, so click on this password, and here you can see that you have to enter your new password. And now confirm your new password, and then all you have to do is click on change password. So that is how you will be able to change your YouTube password. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.